Check out this 2003 Acura MDX. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. And memory settings are one of many features. Call today to schedule a test drive.